Welcome to Baby Wings! A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for cat, cat. D for dog, dog. E for elephant, elephant. F for fish, fish. G for grapes, grapes. H for house, house. I for ice cream, ice cream. J for joker, joker. K for kite, kite. L for lion, lion. M for monkey, monkey. N for nest, nest. O for orange, orange. P for parrot, parrot. P for parrot, parrot. Q for queen, queen. R for rabbit, rabbit. S for sun, sun. T for tiger, tiger. U for umbrella, umbrella. Umbrella. V for van, for van. Van. W for watch, watch. X for xylophone, xylophone. Y for yak, yak. Z for zebra, zebra. Yay! You did it! The whole alphabet! A, B, C, all the way to Z. See you next time, friends! Happy learning! Goodbye for now, little learners. See you in the next video.